Climate change is real. It's here, and it's affecting our communities more than ever. From extreme heat to deadly typhoon, we are all at risk, but we can make a difference.
Our planet's temperature is rising. Glaciers are melting. Sea levels are rising. In the Philippines alone, stronger typhoons and intense heat waves have damaged homes, threatened livelihoods, and risked lives.
The Philippines has a tropical climate characterized by high humidity and significant rainfall. The climate varies regionally, influenced by monsoons and typhoons. The country generally experiences two distinct seasons, a wet season, June to November, and a dry season, December to May. However, rainfall distribution is uneven across the archipelago. Some areas receive significantly more rainfall than others.
Climate change is not just a future threat. It is happening now. So right here in the Philippines, we are already experiencing stronger typhoons, rising sea levels, deadly heat waves, and unpredictable weather patterns. And the truth is, we are part of the cause. So our daily activities or our daily actions contributed to this crisis. So for example, when forests are cleared to make way for roads or buildings, we destroy nature's natural protection. So trees that absorb carbon dioxide help us or prevent flood or landslide. And it is one of the biggest factors that affect climate change in the Philippines.
Recent news reports highlight the impact of low pressure area in the southwest monsoon on rainfall in various regions. On June 8, 2025, Pag-asa reported that an LPE near Luzon had a medium chance of developing into a tropical depression, bringing increased rainfall to several areas, including Bicol, Central Visayas, Eastern Visayas, Aurora, and Quezon. Another report from June 7, 2025 warned of moderate to heavy rains in parts of Luzon and Visayas, potentially causing floods and landslides.
Another threat comes from plastic waste. Single plastic lug or drainage system and pollute our oceans. Plastic breakdown, they release harmful chemicals into air and water. So this pollution doesn't just harm wildlife, it is also contributes to the warming of our planet. But it's not just what we do to the environment. It's also what we don't do. Many communities are still unprepared for disaster. Early warning system, evacuation plans, and sustainable infrastructures are often lacking without preparation. Hazards like typhoons, floods, and droughts become deadly disasters. We don't need to wait for changes to make a big difference. So, use eco-friendly habits. Walk, bike, or carpool when you can to reduce air pollution and climate change. Raise awareness. Share tips on how to protect our environment through posters, social media, or school projects. So in addition, we also need to practice proper waste segregation because it keeps plastics out of oceans and landfills. We also need to plant more trees since they clean up our air and fight for climate change. And lastly, we should lead students for clean-up drives to help and protect our schools and communities.
So together, we can be a change. We should act now for